Global ISO certification, inspection, testing, technical training for pharmaceutical equipment manufacturers and supply chain worldwide. Presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Introduction. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. The pharmaceutical industry is one of the world's most regulated and quality-driven industries. Every pharmaceutical product that reaches a patient depends on highly reliable, hygienic, safe, and precision-engineered manufacturing equipment. Whether it is tablet manufacturing equipment, sterile injectable systems, clean room equipment, reactors, pressure vessels, packaging machinery, or turnkey pharmaceutical plants, manufacturers are expected to comply with international quality standards while delivering reliable and safe equipment. Today's global customers demand more than just equipment. They expect complete quality assurance, documented compliance, traceability, inspection, testing, validation, and continuous improvement. This is where URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited becomes your trusted global quality partner. In this video, we will explore how URGS supports pharmaceutical equipment manufacturers worldwide through ISO certification, third-party inspection, testing, auditing, technical training, and supply chain quality management. Understanding the pharmaceutical equipment industry. The pharmaceutical equipment industry forms the backbone of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Without reliable equipment, there can be no consistent medicines. Manufacturers produce tablet compression machines, capsule filling machines, granulation systems, coating equipment, fluid bed dryers, reactors, mixing vessels, pressure vessels, fermenters, sterilizers, autoclaves, CIP and SIP systems, injectable production equipment, syrup manufacturing plants, ointment manufacturing systems, packaging machinery, filling machines, blister packing systems, HVAC systems, clean room equipment, stainless steel process equipment. Every product must satisfy demanding customer expectations for quality, safety, hygiene, precision, and regulatory compliance. Challenges faced by manufacturers. Pharmaceutical equipment manufacturers face numerous challenges including maintaining GMP compliance, meeting customer specifications, international certifications, supplier quality management, raw material traceability, welding quality, surface finish requirements, material testing, pressure testing, documentation, inspection requirements, validation support, factory acceptance tests, site acceptance tests, delivery commitments, regulatory expectations. Without a robust quality management system, these challenges can affect customer confidence and business growth. Why ISO certification matters? ISO certification is far more than a certificate. It demonstrates that an organization follows internationally recognized management systems. URGS International provides certification services including ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. The benefits include improved quality, reduced defects, better documentation, higher customer confidence, improved operational efficiency, better risk management, international recognition, increased export opportunities, improved employee engagement, greater business growth. Third-party inspection services. Independent inspection is essential for pharmaceutical equipment manufacturers. URGS International provides comprehensive third-party inspection services including incoming material inspection, in-process inspection, dimensional inspection, visual inspection, welding inspection, pressure testing, hydro testing, pneumatic testing, surface finish inspection, painting inspection, packaging inspection, final inspection, pre-shipment inspection, factory acceptance test FAT, site acceptance test SAT. These inspections provide confidence to customers before delivery. Now, testing and quality assurance. Testing verifies that equipment performs safely and reliably. URGS International supports manufacturers with mechanical testing, chemical testing, positive material identification, hardness testing, ultrasonic testing, radiography testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid particle testing, penetrant testing, visual testing, dimensional verification, performance testing, leak testing, pressure testing, quality assurance documentation, material traceability, inspection reports, test certificates, compliance reports. These activities reduce product failures and improve customer satisfaction. Now, supplier audits and vendor qualification. A strong supply chain is critical. URGS International performs supplier audits to ensure vendors consistently meet quality expectations. Our audit process evaluates manufacturing capability, quality systems, inspection facilities, calibration, documentation, production control, material traceability, customer complaint handling, corrective actions, continuous improvement. Vendor qualification minimizes supply chain risks and improves overall product quality. Now, GMP compliance and quality audits. Good manufacturing practice is essential when within pharmaceutical manufacturing. URGS International assists organizations by conducting GMP-focused audits covering documentation, equipment qualification, calibration, cleaning procedures, validation support, quality systems, risk management, training, record keeping, corrective actions. This ensures manufacturers are always prepared for customer and regulatory audits. Technical training. People are the foundation of quality. URGS International provides professional training programs for quality engineers, production engineers, inspection engineers, design engineers, project engineers, QA professionals, QC professionals, supervisors, managers, technical teams. Training topics include ISO standards, internal auditor courses, inspection techniques, root cause analysis, CAPA, risk assessment, quality tools, documentation, supplier quality, engineering standards, NDT awareness, welding quality, pressure equipment inspection, operational excellence, continuous improvement. Well-trained professionals create world-class organizations. Please keep this in mind. Now, why choose URGS International? Organizations across the globe choose URGS International because of our commitment to excellence. Our strengths include experienced auditors, professional inspectors, international quality expertise, customer-focused solutions, industry-specific knowledge, reliable technical support, timely project execution, global service capability, professional training programs, independent inspection services, practical quality improvement solutions. We work with manufacturers, EPC companies, OEMs, suppliers, exporters, contractors, and multinational organizations across diverse industrial sectors. At last, conclusion and call to action. In today's competitive pharmaceutical industry, quality is not optional, it is essential. International customers expect reliable equipment, documented quality systems, certified manufacturing processes, qualified suppliers, and professional inspection. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited helps organizations achieve these goals through world-class certification, inspection, testing, auditing, technical training, and quality management solutions. Whether you are a pharmaceutical equipment manufacturer, process equipment supplier, clean room contractor, packaging machinery manufacturer, EPC company, or global exporter, URGS International is ready to become your trusted quality partner. Contact us today to strengthen your quality systems, improve operational excellence, reduce manufacturing risks, and expand confidently into global markets. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your global partner for ISO certification, inspection, testing, auditing, and technical training. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on ISO certification, inspection, testing, auditing, quality management, and industrial excellence. Thank you.